Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to create a zip file. So, first of all guys, I will need you to go ahead to your browser and then search for WinRAR and then go to the first website and click on download. So let me just make this in English. So here we go. Click here to download WinRAR and basically you just have to click here to download it. Here you have to pay to put your email and then just go ahead and like do the setup, which is pretty simple. Click yes, install, okay, and done. Now, what this zip file will help you with? Well, let's say that you have a big or a giant amount of like files. For example, these three files, and basically three of them is about 5 GB. So, zip file, what it can do is compress the size of these files together and put them in one file so you can send them to your friends or etc. So, how we can do that? First of all, just go ahead and, for example, let's go and create a new folder and let's say it's zip. And then here, what I'm going to do is open it, drag these three files, for example, in here, and let me just copy them real quick. Here we go, and it is pretty simple process guys. Now after I copy them in this file, what I'm gonna do is select them all. So instead of like waiting, I will just do an example for you over here. So basically what you have to do is select them all, for example like that, click, and then click add to archive, and here you can just go here, make name it whatever you like, for example games, and here what you'll have to do is click on zip and click on OK. After that it will start zipping, and that's how you can create your zip file in Windows 10 guys. So that was it with today's video guys. I hope you enjoyed it and thank you guys for watching.